Hello students, in this lecture series we will be discussing the questions which have appeared in IIT JAM 2020. So the first question of this lecture series is, let M be a real 6 cross 6 matrix and let 2 and minus 1 be the two eigenvalues of this matrix, and they have defined if M raised to power 5 is equals to A into identity plus B into M, where A and B are any real numbers. Then I have to comment on the value of A and B, and the options are A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11. Second option is A is equals to minus 11, B is equals to 10. Third option is A is equals to minus 10, B is equals to 11, and the fourth option is A is equals to 10 and B is equals to minus 11. So let us solve this question. Now we are given that M is a 6 cross 6 matrix and we are provided two eigenvalues which are 2 and minus 1. And moreover we are provided this equation which is nothing but a polynomial matrix, that is M raised to power 5 is equals to A into I plus B into M. So the eigenvalues of the matrix M must satisfy this polynomial matrix. So lambda 1, which was 2, must satisfy this star equation. In place of M, just substitute 2. So you get A into 1 plus B into 2, that is A plus 2B is equals to 2 raised to power 5, which is 32. So this is the first equation. Similarly, lambda 2, which was minus 1, must also satisfy this equation. And on substituting the value in place of M, you get A minus B equals to minus 1. Now our main task is to solve this equation, which is very simple to solve. I think you can just multiply the second equation by 2, so and just add up the two equations. So on adding you will get 3a equals to 30, so which implies a equals to 10. Now you can substitute the value of a in either of the equation. I have substituted the value of a in this equation, so you can get the value of b equals to a plus 1, which is 10 plus 1, which is 11. So the value of a comes out to be 10 and b comes out to be 11, and hence a option is correct. So I hope आपको ये क्वेश्चन समझ आ गया हो. For more such videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.